1, 2, 3, action! And now you say hi. Hi, this is Savannah. Say that.
Hi, this is Savannah.
Are you on the wrong thing?
No.
Hi, say hi, this is Savannah.
Hi, this is Savannah.
And I am going to show you how my brother makes animal noises.
I'm going to show you how my brother makes animal sounds. Hey, make an elephant. A lion. Let's see, bear. Can we see a big roar?
Roar!
Okay,